Do you ever find yourself struggling with simplifying surds? Well, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Yusuf, a recent mathematics graduate, and I'm here to tell you how to ace simplifying surds. So let's look at an example. Remember, surds are just fancy square roots, and to simplify any surd, we must look for two factors, one of which is a square number. Now, in the case of root 18, we need to look for the greatest square number factor that goes into 18. That, of course, is root 9. So we can rewrite root 18 as root 9, root 2. Now, because 9 itself is a perfect square, that means root 9 can be written as the integer 3, and the root 2 remains as it is, so your final answer here is 3 root 2. Now let's look at something trickier. The second question asks us to simplify root 75, but the process here remains the same. We need to look for the greatest square number that goes into 75. This time our answer is root 25, and root 25 multiplies with root 3 to give root 75. Now again, because 25 is a perfect square, that means that root 25 can be rewritten as the integer 5, the root 3 remains as it is, and so 5 root 3 is the final answer for this question. And that's it. Remember, surds are just like puzzles waiting to be solved, and now we have learned how to solve them.